Hi everybody, my name is Gloria Coelho. I am the Ontario Regional Sales Manager for NTI Boilers, and I'm so happy to be in Etobicoke at this custom home, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of our newest additions, the TRX series. So in this home today, to my left is a TRX 199 heating boiler. The TRX series comes in 4 heating boilers, ranging from 85,000 BTUs to 199,000 BTUs, and 3 combination boilers or combi boilers, 110,000 to 199,000 BTUs. One of the features and benefits is that this boiler comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. What this means is the contractor will be able to have remote access to the boiler parameters, make changes, receive push notifications if there are any issues with the boiler, especially on those Friday nights of a long weekend or those really stormy days where the service calls are ramping up. This will allow the contractor to make adjustments to their schedule and react quickly. Another benefit to having remote access to the boiler is our tech support in St. John, New Brunswick will also be able to tap in and take a look at the history. So this really allows the technician and our tech support to be in front of the boiler but not be in front of the boiler, and be able to make suggestions and kind of understand what's going on with the unit. As well as contractors can install the boiler and then set up the parameters after the fact. So this also does allow the contractor to be more efficient with their time. So directly behind me is an S80 indirect tank. Our tanks do range in sizes from 40 gallons to 120 gallons. In this particular instance, the boiler is providing in-floor heating and domestic hot water for the home. Now, this boiler is not limited to just regular in-floor heating. It can do snow melt, rads, air handlers. You can do quite a bit with this model and with our other models. Along with the Wi-Fi, the built-in Wi-Fi connect. These units also come with a built-in ECM pump and a 3-way diverting valve, and that's across all of the heating boilers and the combination boilers. This product has done exceptionally well for us. It is one of the leaders in the industry, and I'm looking forward to visiting more custom homes. If you have any further questions on anything that I've spoke about today, please head to ntiboilers.com and locate your regional sales manager, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.